Hello everybody and welcome to GHL Plugin. In this video, we're going to go over the different steps that we follow in order to set up your Square Connect app from our workflow apps. Like we're going to show you how we get this beautiful tool installed within your agency and then how you get it connect to your Square Connect account. This process is going to enable you to automate different actions directly from your workflow app in GHL in your Square Connect account. But before we go any further though, let me show you all the actions we have inside the workflow. Like to create a customer, to update the customer, to delete the customer, to create a customer group, update the customer group, delete customer group, create item orders, create a gift card orders. So how do we set this up? First and foremost, make sure you're connected on your JJ Plugins account. And if this is your first experience here, by the way, welcome to JJ Plugins. Make sure your agency is linked to your JJ Plugins account. So how do you link your agency? You just have to come up here, link accounts, and come down here at link agency. You open in your window at marketplace where you have to select the appropriate agency, and then you'll be allowed to check some boxes in order to allow access to all sub account within your agency and also to enable automatic future installations in order to make sure that our tools will continue to work with the existing sub accounts and as well as the future ones. Once you're done with it, you proceed. You automatically send back to your GHL Plugins account. This time to select the appropriate workflow apps and to get it installed within your agency. So let's go on workflow apps. There you go. So in order to get the tool installed within your agency, as you can see, we have available apps and install apps. Like I said, if this is your first experience here, of course the app is going to be here. As you can see, we don't have a square here. It means the app is already installed within the agency. For you guys, you just have to, of course, like I said, the app is going to be available here. But since the app is already installed within the agency, we just have to come and search for it here. There you go. We have Square. So how are you guys gonna install your app within your agency? You just have to come here at setup. Same process. You select the agency that's really recommended, and you check the boxes again, and you proceed. You automatically send it back to a GHL Plugins account. This time to copy the custom menu link that you're going to go and paste within in your agency in order to create a custom menu link. Remember, this is a one-time action, which means that you will only do it once. Okay, so let's copy the custom menu link and we switch to our agency level to create the custom menu link. So how do we do it? We just have to come here at settings and then we look for custom menu link. Here we go and create new. There you go. So here you just have to select the appropriate icon for your custom menu link. Actually, we have some beautiful icons here. There you go. And then you type the appropriate name for your custom menu link. For example, you can decide to name your custom menu link my apps, my applications, my tool. And then you come down here and you paste the custom menu link you copy from your GHL Plugins account. You come down here and select the preferences. When you're done, you make sure you saved and you switch to your sub account. This time you look for your custom menu link. Remember, if you decided to name your custom menu link my tool, make sure that you have my tools here. We decided to name our custom menu link my app, so we go on my perfect. This time we want to connect our tool on our Square Connect app. Of course, if this is your first time, this tool is going to be available here by just searching for it. So if you search Square, we have nothing. So we can just come here at connected apps, and there you go. We have Square, which means it's already connected. But for you guys, you're going to have Square here, and in order to get it connected, you just go at setup. Of course, there's an information required here, which is the token. How do you get the token? First off, you have here how to get your credentials. It means that if you click on it, you're going to access a smart queue guiding you, showing you how we proceed to get that token. But let me show you how it works. I just have to switch to your Square Connect app. On applications, we already have two applications created here. Let's say we create another one. We can decide to name it My Tools. Next, okay, we can skip. We can skip. Afterwards, let's go at the production and we scroll down and we have the token. Let's show the token and we copy, we switch back to our sub account and get it pasted. Bingo. Now we submit. Perfect. This means that we just connected our app to our Square Connect account. So guys, now we're able to execute some actions directly from our Workflow app into our Square Connect account. Guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team was available 24/7. Don't forget to leave some comments. You can also reach us on our Facebook page, which is GHL Plugin. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share the video, and once again, welcome to GHL Plugin.